Lesson 5 National Symbols and Important Dates.
What is the national animal of India? Elephant, tiger, lion, peacock.
The right answer is
Tiger. What is the national bird of India? Crow, pigeon, peacock, parrot.
The right answer is
Peacock. Which flower is the national flower of India? Lotus, sunflower, daisy, rose.
The right answer is
Lotus. Which day is celebrated as Independence Day in India? 14th November, 2nd October, 15th August, 26th January.
The right answer is
15th August. What is the national anthem of India? Vande Mataram.
सारे जहां से अच्छा.
हम होंगे कामयाब.
जनगणमन. The right answer is जनगणमन.
Which is the national fruit of India? Apple, mango, banana, orange.
The right answer is
Mango. Which day is celebrated as Republic Day in India? 15th August, 2nd October, 14th November, 26th January.
The right answer is
26th January. What is the national tree of India? Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, peepal tree.
The right answer is
Banyan tree. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Shark, turtle, dolphin, whale.
The right answer is
Dolphin. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh.
The right answer is
Mahatma Gandhi. Which day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti? 26th January, 15th August, 2nd October. 14th November.
The right answer is
2nd October. What is the national currency of India? Dollar, pound, yen, rupee.
the right answer is
Rupee. Which is the national game of India? Cricket, hockey, football, badminton.
the right answer is
Hockey. Which day is celebrated as Children's Day in India? 14th November, 15th August, 26th January, 2nd October.
the right answer is
14th November. What is the national emblem of India? Peacock. Lion capital of Ashoka. Banyan tree. Lotus.
the right answer is
Lion capital of Ashoka.